So now your last part to solving the cube is just solving this last layer edges here. So now there are two parts to doing this. What you want is you want to look around your cube and find what's called headlights, which is like this, where you have two corners that have the same color facing the same way. So this is an example of headlights. This is not, because these are different. See what I mean? See, and this is an edge in a corner facing the same way. That doesn't count. So this is your headlights. If you don't have headlights, you can just do this algorithm I'm about to show you and it will build headlights. If you do have headlights, line them up with the right colored face and put them in the back. So now this algorithm, it is rather complicated, but once you do it a few times, you'll figure it out. So I'm going to break this into a couple parts here. So you want to start with R prime, F, R prime, and then B2, and then R, F prime, R prime, B2, R2. So that will build your headlights so you can move on to the next step. So again, if you have headlights, line them up with the right color and put them in the back. If you don't have headlights, don't worry about where the top layer is. This will build your headlights. So now you want to follow this algorithm. Let's put that right there. R prime, F, R prime. And then B2 is just the back layer twice. It really doesn't matter which way you spin it, as long as you spin it twice. So there B2. And then R, F prime, R prime. And that'll put that back at the bottom. And then B2 again. And then R2. So you see that fixed your bottom layer. That kept all that right. And now you should have headlights somewhere on your cube. If you didn't have headlights to start with, you just have to do this algorithm twice. If you did, remember, line them up and put that in the back. If you did have headlights when you did this algorithm, that should make that might make one side solved like this, or all four sides will have headlights. So what you want to do there is, if one of your sides is solved, put it in the back. If all four sides just have headlights, then you have to do this next algorithm twice. If not, just once will work. So in this case, so with your solved side in the back, look at what color is in this edge here. This edge is red, and red is over here. That means we have to put it on this side. So there is an algorithm for that. If you have it going the other way, the algorithm is almost the same. It's just there's one part of it is a little bit different. So to move this piece to the right here, what you want to do is, here, let me put a little arrow here. To move it to the right, you want to do F2, and then U prime, L, R prime, F2, L prime, R, U prime, F2. So the difference between moving this piece to the right or to the left is simply what direction you do these U moves here. So now if you're going to move it the other way, the algorithm is exactly the same, F2, but instead of a U prime, you just do a U. and then L, R prime, F2, L prime, R, and then here, again, do the other way, just a U, not a U prime, and then F2. So, since we're moving it to the right, here, it's going over here to the right, we're going to be using this algorithm here, this middle one. And again, it's just a matter of what way you spin your top layer. So, to get this to the right, we just want to follow this algorithm here. And that's F2 U prime. So what you want to do is, if this has to go to the right, you want to move this front piece to the right. That's kind of how I think about it. And if you're moving it to the left, it'll go to the left. You see what I mean? So to make it a little bit easier, to restart this algorithm, you go F2 U prime, moving this to the right, and then L, R prime, just bring those to the front, F2, and then L prime, R, that'll bring them back up to the top, and then we want to bring this piece to the right again, and if you're putting it to the left, you gotta move it to the left a second time, and then F2 again, and that will solve your cube.